Good morning. You're talking to a very gravelly Susannah, who is a little bit pooped. Very long day for the last couple of days, which is fine. Up at 6ish, didn't get back from home to work. To be fair, via the ice cream parlour at 11 o'clock at night, just because I had a meeting, somebody had outsourced some work to, and they just hadn't performed. And that gets my goat, and if it gets my goat, I'm just going to work harder. And that seems to be my response, is that kind of there's no back against the wall or anything, but it's almost that feeling of back against the wall. That stuff didn't get done the way it should have got done. Right, I'm just going to keep going. So I did. So it was like 6ish in the morning till like 11 o'clock at night, to be fair, with a Ferrero Rocher vanilla ice cream milkshake at 11. Thanks be to the city. And this morning up again, well, very early. So let's talk about the stuff that people don't talk about in shiny videos. Grind. Hard work. Grind. That's how you get there. Like, you know, need to grind for the rest of your life. And I certainly at times have like a hard job stopping the habit, because the habit got me to where I wanted to get to. But there are days where you just pull it out of the bag and you just keep going. And every now and again, and I'm sorry, but I am your mother's age, you millennials, and some of you guys are amazing, but some of you guys are like, I want it on a plate. And I'm like, what? Get up, get out, get to work. So, and I'm not at all being negative, it's just that because everything's so easy sometimes, it's, you know, you can access social media, and of course everyone puts their shiny face on social media, and I'm generally cheerful because I generally have a smiley face, but you gotta grind. Day before yesterday I did a 14-hour day. Yesterday, well, up at 6, back in at 11 at night. Boom! This morning I was up at 4, but only because I woke up, because I was kind of irritatedly excited for the day. Certainly up by 5:30, and I won't stop tonight. I'm definitely booked in till 7:30, and then, to be quite frank, I will be like going to bed like a right old lady. But it's the grind, and this just because things are now quite stable for me, because the portfolio is built. Hopefully you guys are really enjoying some of the education stuff we do for you, whether it's workshops, you come and visit us, or the mentoring programs that you're part of, and we just love your success, by the way, or you're buying stuff from us online. Well, fantastic. So today we've got we're set up, if you like. It's nice and steady, it's really enjoyable. The highs and the lows are less like than they used to be, but every now and again comes a moment that just reminds me how it was. And that was my response to the irritation, and it was deeply felt irritation of a professional firm not having delivered what they should have delivered, and me appreciating, annoyingly, it might be their fault, but it's 100% my responsibility. So my response to that, lipstick, my response to that was grind. If something hasn't gone wrong, I can sit and moan all I like, and you can be sure I had a right little hissy fit in the office. I may have said a few swear letters because I was really unimpressed, but then I'm like, right, I'm gonna batten down the hatches and grind this out, because this is how things get done, and in my business I don't like it when things don't get done. So there's the background. You know, when it gets tough, you work. And funnily enough, the harder you work, you know, the classic, the luckier you get. So I'm just taking a moment in my garden, which I adore, to appreciate a cup of tea, and then it's a full 12-14 hour day today grinding again. But to be fair, I'm going to CrossFit Games next week, so it's not bad. Okay, work hard. You don't always need to work hard for the rest of your life, but you certainly, to move your position, need to work hard for a bit. So, good luck.